This is the Q-Grind U1000. It's a universal grinding machine designed for flexibility and fast changeover for a varied amount of parts. And we have the 3 spindles, we have the 2 externals and 1 internal, designed for multi companies that are doing different parts, and for really quick software set over, machine set cross changeover. The machine is built in Taiwan, but all the technology is from Europe. With this machine, it's the flexibility and the quick changeover, and also the price, the cost-effective machine compared to other people in the market. Our software that we've developed in Europe is full touchscreen and graphical, so that people are not having to learn code, so it's a real quick changeover. That's the idea. 3 wheels, we have 2 externals, which are 450 and 350, and we have an internal wheel which is capable of running up to 30,000. We have a lot of features included as standard. So we have a hydraulic tailstock, we have a length probe, we have the mist extraction and coolant already built into the price. The big benefit of this machine again is we are using the latest technologies from Fanuc and Heidenhain, but we are much more cost effective. But we are there for the universal customers who want to do a varied parts and maybe not knowing what they're going to have today, tomorrow or the next day, and for medium production. It's not designed for the high production customers.